Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be offering you information on how you can get completely free legal advice directly from a law firm for a compensation claim for slips, trips or falls on council property. Not only that, but I'll also be going over some of the things that you can do to help strengthen your claim. Being involved in a slip, trip or fall can be a traumatic experience, with the incident having the potential to impact you not only physically but also psychologically. If your accident happened on council property, you may be wondering what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. The good news is, if the accident was caused by the negligence of somebody else, then you may be entitled to compensation. In order for your claim to reach its full potential, we highly recommend that you reach out to a slip, trip and fall claim specialist, one that has experience in dealing with claims of this nature, and I'll shortly be explaining how you can do just that without having to pay a single penny. But first, I'm going to go over a couple of things that we recommend you do in order to help strengthen your claim. The first is to take photographs where the accident happened, and if possible, what it was that specifically caused the accident. If the accident was caused by a defect or of some sort, take good, clear photos of this, and if possible, try and measure the size of the defect. Next, make sure that you report the accident to the council, and if you're in a council building, ensure that an accident report form is completed in the building's accident report book. Check this over at the time to ensure that no vital details were left out. Have your injuries assessed by a medical professional and make a note of when this assessment took place, as this will make it much easier to get hold of a copy of records further down the line. Finally, keep track of all expenses incurred as a result of your accident, as they may be able to be claimed back. These can include travel, medical, care costs, the cost of any personal items damaging the property, as well as any loss of earnings or potential future earnings. Now, if you'd like to speak to someone from a law firm without having to pay a single penny in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation, you can contact legalexpert.co.uk on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service on our website. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can call whenever is convenient for you. During this session, you should be prepared to answer the following questions. Where, when and how was the accident caused, and why did the accident occur? What happened leading up to the incident and afterwards? Were you alone? Were there any witnesses? Do you feel you were at all responsible for the accident occurring? Did the council do anything or fail to do anything which may have been a contributing factor to the accident? What is the extent of your injuries that were caused by the accident? Has your work or income suffered because you've been restricted by the injury caused by the accident? Has anybody else had to care for you? Are you experiencing any long-term health problems because of the severity of your injuries? Now, following the free consultation session, and after we've established what your options are, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a successful claim, then we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there's no upfront fees to worry about, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.